What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, you probably don't know when it comes to 12-volt tools, we're big fans of the DeWALT XTREME line. These things just hit the marketplace, the job sites, a few months ago. It feels like to me, but my days kind of run together, so it's probably been like a year. I don't think that it has been a year yet, but we love these tools. They're really awesome. If you wanted to find out more about the first offerings, this combo kit from DeWALT, their XTREME line, you can go to this video over here. But today's video, we're going to talk about a new edition. No, not like the, you know, what was that song? Oh, baby, give me one. I think that's Michael Jackson. Not new edition, but we have a new addition to the XTREME line of tools. It's a one-handed recip saw. It's right here. We're going to talk about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. You know, it's pretty fun. Like, what does New Edition say? The reality is, if I heard a song come on, I would be like, oh, it's New Edition. But I'm drawing a blank right now. Here it is. It's DeWALT's one-handed reciprocating saw kit. It's 12 volts. It's lithium-ion powered. It's brushless. It's got a bag. And it comes with a 3 amp hour battery. The funny part is, the new batteries, this is one of them, from DeWALT in their 12-volt line. They come with a fuel gauge now, which is pretty awesome. They come in 2 varieties, and I hope that they expand them. They come in a 2 amp and a 3 amp variety. The hilarious part is if you go to a big box blue big box store, you can buy the 2 amp batteries with no fuel gauge, or you can buy the 3 amp hour batteries with a fuel gauge at $49. Let me think this over. If you want to find out where to buy it, where to buy it, where to get it, when they're on deal, because they're not in every store, you're going to want to check a live stream right here. A previous live stream. It's not live anymore, so you don't even think you're going to go over there and get in the chat, because you're not. But you can see it. Go to that live stream. We're going to help you out. Matter of fact, we do those live streams where you could get those batteries every Sunday, as my father would say, Sunday. But if you want to check an old live stream to know what to expect, so you can craft. We know we got a lot of wordsmiths out there. You're going to want to craft your comments ahead of time to interact in a fun, loving way. Because that's what we do on our live streams. They're interactive. We look at what you want to look at. We find the deals that you want us to find. We look over the tools you want us to look at. Go and check it out. We got some specifications on the back here. Most important are these 2 right here. The battery warranty is a 3-year limited warranty. Tool warranty is 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, 90 days money back guarantee. You don't like the XTREME, you don't have to keep it. You get your money back 90 days. This is product number DCS312G1. They should make this box out of an LED panel that could change and shows like a splash page, and it shows the highlights, jumps out at you. You think that would raise the cost of the tool at all? No joking around. Let's get to the point. Let's get this unboxed. Every time, you all make me run into tangents and stuff, and just, you know, it's just ridiculous. So, out of the box comes a bag. I will say this. It's a pretty nice bag. Now, why did I do that pull like that? It's a standardized test that we do to show how well the stitching. This looks like a double bar tack stitch. It actually has a rivet as well. That we simulate some stress over time of grabbing that bag, like, you know, like on Friday when you get your paycheck, you're like, hey boss, it's the fastest your boss has seen you move all day. You're like, yo boss, see you later, I got my check, I'm out of here. You know what I mean? That can put a whole bunch of wear on the bag, on the stitches. You know what I mean? You're like, it's party time. Yeah, I see you, boss. I gotta go. That's why we test that. So you know what you can expect. The zipper, not so much. We have some instructions here. We're gonna set them aside. You know, some of you will be like, Vince, you need to read that whole thing. And I agree. You should definitely read this. Before you operate this tool, read your instruction manual, front to back, because, you know. It does come with 2 blades, wood with nails, and we have an 18 TPI, teethuses per inch, bimetal metal blade. Pretty cool. I like that they include those two blades. That's really awesome. It's nice. It's a bonus. We come with the DCB 112. This is not the 108. This is a dual voltage charger, which I think is awesome. Let's just say you wanted to get into DeWALT's 12 line of tools, but you were a little unsure about the 20 volt line of tools. Let's just say DeWALT was running a deal where you could buy a bare tool, score a free battery, or vice versa. Buy a battery, get a tool. Who knows? You already have the charger for that. It's a logical progression, and DeWALT knows that. I will say this. This is not their standard charger. This is not their cheap charger. The DCB 108 is their cheapest charger. It does come with some of their economy 20 volt max line tools. I'm pretty impressed that they've included this charger. Here's our 3 amp hour battery in a nice little Ziploc baggie. It does come with that. Look at that. It does need a charge. Out of the box bag comes the Extreme recip saw. Now, I will tell you this much. I like the rubber overmold. I like the little lock here. The trigger feels good. I would like to see an articulating shoe because this tool does only have a 5/8 stroke length. It does have 2,800 strokes per minute. Some of you will love the fact that it will stand up on its battery. I do not love that. Matter of fact, I think it's just an accident waiting to happen, okay? If you can stand it up, that means you will knock it over. And that's not a good thing. Hashtag, just lay it down. Let's get a weight here. With the battery, you're looking at 3 pounds, 8.6 ounces. Bare tool. And I'm not talking bare tool. I'm talking without a battery, okay? 3 pounds, 0.4 ounces. Whoa. You're watching this post tool test raw. If you don't know what a tool test raw is, when we test a couple of different brand of tools possibly, or the same brand of tools or whatever, we put these tools through a live test. It's raw, it's unfiltered. If you wanted to see this action, because a lot of you come here just for the action, you're not looking for specs and weights, okay? You can go to this video here. I will say, I like this little knob here for the blade installation. There's no tool required, okay? You do need to actuate that, though. It will slip in, boom, stays in there. Look at that, stays in there. I do like the nice LED light. I will say something else. I do like the fact that it lights that work area. Very bright. Some of you might be saying to yourselves, I like the one-handed recip saw. I can't make up my mind between the Atomic line of tools, okay, which is DeWalt's 20 volt max compact line of tools, but in 20 volt max, compared to the 12 volt Extreme. Here's the reality. I just happen to have an Atomic recip saw here, compact recip saw here. And their specs are identical. I want to see if their size is identical as well. And here it is. I will tell you, they sure do look identical. The only thing is that the way the battery inserts at the rear. This is the Extreme. This is the Atomic. Let's see how far away they are in weight. We told you the Extreme bare tool is 3 pounds, 0.4 ounces. The Atomic is 3 pounds, 2.5 ounces. Here's the reality. The Atomic is heavier, but it has the same strokes per minute and it has the same stroke length. So why? Why? The reality is I can't tell you why. I can't tell you if the 12 volt tool is better than the Atomic right now because I haven't tested this yet. Literally, we just unboxed it now. I will tell you this much. After a second glance at the Atomic compared to the Extreme, I like the compact size of the Extreme, right? But it's really not any more compact. than the Atomic. I will say this, and it is with the battery, right? But I like the articulating shoe on the Atomic. It allows you to use more of that blade because of the short stroke length of both of these tools. This is a tough one. Go check those videos here that we talked about earlier. Maybe it'll help you make a decision, because I can't help you unless you wanted to know what was in the bag, and then now I've helped you. And if you like being helped, then smash the like button. Also, leave the comments down below. What do you think of the new compact Extreme 12V brushless line of tools from DeWALT? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Did you buy them? Are you using them? Are they making you money? We want to know. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.